Welcome back. So in this video, let's see where is JavaScript used. So JavaScript is used to add an interactive behavior to the web pages. So we have HTML, web CSS. So like they are just a static page only. So nothing will happen to them. So until like suppose there's a button, I placed a button there, but if I click there without JavaScript, nothing will happen. So if JavaScript come into place, then I can do something when I click on that button. Uh, JavaScript is also used in creating mobile and web applications. So, like the famous frameworks like Angular, React, React Native, Ionic. So, all these frameworks are used to create a web and mobile application. And then we also can build web servers. We can also create backend servers using JavaScript. So, the famous framework of web server is like Node.js and Deno. So Deno was recently launched. It was launched by the same developer who developed Node.js. So yeah, and then we can also use JavaScript for game development. So I don't have the example of this game development, but we can come across that. And then we can also use JavaScript for building desktop applications. So to know like which all applications are built using JavaScript, let me just take you over the browser. So here are a few examples like where JavaScript are used. So we have one framework called Slides. So this is also built upon JavaScript. So it has an application where we can make slides and all. So this is built upon JavaScript only. And then we also have a framework called React Native. So React Native is a framework used for building web and native applications like Android application, iOS application. So like a few example of apps which have been built using React Native is Facebook, Instagram, Skype, Discord. So these are the few examples of Android and iOS app which is built using React Native. And then we also have one another library called Electron, which is a JavaScript framework only. So this Electron is used for developing a desktop applications. So the desktop application will work on all three section: Windows, Mac, and Linux. So like let's see let me just show you the most what we call widely used by developer like VS Code, uh, or yeah, you can see here Visual Studio Code. So this also built up using Electron.js. And another famous application which we always use is Postman. So you can see Postman is also built using uh, Electron.js. So like you can just go to electronjs.org and you can just see like different desktop applications which are built using Electron.js. Why use JavaScript over other programming languages? So this is one of the most common questions which are asked by developers around the world. So I've just listed few reasons why we should go with JavaScript. Okay, so as we know, we have lots of frameworks in different languages. Like we can build a website using PHP framework. We can build using Java. We can build using like different languages also. But what we should always know is the browser understand only JavaScript. So no matter in whatever languages we write the application, so at the end all those different languages are converted back to JavaScript only. So this is the first reason we should why we should go with JavaScript. And then JavaScript is the most popular language. This is a developer survey which is conducted by Stack Overflow annually. So as you can see here, JavaScript is the most used programming language. So this shows the power of JavaScript in current technology world. So and then JavaScript also it also have a very low threshold to get started. So like getting started with JavaScript is very easy. So like even like a student just anyone of any age can get started with JavaScript at any time on. Okay, and then it's a very fun language to learn, obviously. So every programming language is very fun. So when you enjoy writing, then you'll enjoy the language. So this is a reason why one should always get started with JavaScript. So it's very easy language. One can always get started anytime, any age. So it's very easy. And then I think yeah, we can always go with JavaScript because we can using the same language we can build desktop application, we can build Android application, we can build iOS application, we can build websites, we can build games, we can build what we call robots, we can build copters. So we can do lots of things using JavaScript. So yeah, I think this is it from this video. So in the next video, we'll start with environment setup. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.